All right, Brian from Garage Mahal. I don't know if you've been following, but I 3D printed a Terminator Skull, and I just put LED lights in for eyes, and man, that thing is just crazy looking. But the only reason why I really printed it was because I wanted a home for Alexa. How are you today?
Well, yesterday I may have overdid it. That is, I'm telling overdid it jokes.
Alexa, turn lights to 30%.
Okay.
that that thing just looks like intense. But anyway, hope you like it. That's the end result. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Alexa, turn lights to 80%.
Okay.
And I think that's pretty friggin' awesome looking. And a great addition to Garage Mahal. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing. Be safe out there.